Welcome to Modern Medicine, where we take the latest testing, the latest data to try to help you get to your health goals. One of our biggest passions at our practice locations is helping you get to the root cause of whatever you're dealing with. I like to say we like to give you the why behind the what. So what diagnoses have you already been given? What are you searching for? Maybe you're already really healthy. Maybe you're on a lot of medications. At Modern Medicine, our team of providers sees all types of patients and all types of pathologies. From the healthiest of the healthy, people that are focused on precision medicine, longevity, the idea of extending one's health span to impact their lifespan. We want to pour our resources into you so that, quite frankly, you aren't dependent upon needing to go to doctor's offices and get medication refills and those types of things. We certainly are not anti-medication, but I think it's our responsibility as clinicians to ensure that the medications you're on are the ones that you need, but also make sure that those medications aren't just covering up a symptom from another sort of root cause. What could some of those things be? We strongly feel that data should drive all of the clinical decisions that we make on your behalf. At Modern Medicine, we do comprehensive lab testing. Oftentimes, we do a lot of deep dive testing into your immune system and do a nice gut microbiome test to look at all sorts of things. Are you absorbing food correctly? Are you breaking down food correctly? Is there an overgrowth of something, an undergrowth of something? Are you on the correct probiotics or the correct digestive enzymes? Do you even need those? In today's times, the immune system and the approach to how to protect and potentially restore the immune system back to its more primitive state to help you fight off viruses and infections and cancers and all of these types of things, that is one of the biggest priorities in our practice, because if we can keep a robust immune system, as toxic as things are, as potentially depleted as the soil is, as it relates to the food that we create, all of those realities aren't necessarily changing. But our ability to help you navigate through that, through the tools that we use, is how we try to keep you as healthy as possible. So again, if you're very healthy and you're the type that never goes to doctor's offices, that's okay. We see those types of patients all the time. If you're someone who has a degenerative condition, degenerative cognitive condition, degenerative cardiometabolic condition, maybe you have known heart disease, maybe you have blood pressure and you don't know why your blood pressure runs so high. You don't know why the blood pressure agents don't work. Maybe you've been diagnosed with a certain form of cancer. Maybe you have a history of cancer. Maybe you have an autoimmune disease. So many patients are burdened with autoimmune disease. The idea of your body turning against you and starting to attack you at some tissue level. The number one symptom of an autoimmune disease is debilitating fatigue. How many times have you said, man, I am so tired? We believe it is massively important that you find a clinician, a healthcare advocate who can do a deep dive into your health and look at a comprehensive immune test profile. So blood, microbiome, potentially saliva if needed, but also get into some genetic testing and get into all of these other types of therapies that can help the diagnostics and help flip some of those diagnostic panels into what we want to see on the optimal side. So at this practice, we do not have an agenda. What you want is what we want. We want you to be as healthy as you can be to get to your goals, so you can be more engaged in your life, more engaged in your work, and just more engaged with your health. That's it. Everyone at this practice lives by what we preach. We walk the talk that we walk, and we want you to join us as part of this sort of health advocate journey that so many patients have now. We are so blessed to have so many patients that see us now at our two different locations, and we have a lot of out-of-state patients as well. So we're quite passionate about helping you get to your goals and using the latest and greatest of tests out there, along with the latest and greatest of therapeutics, whether that's advanced thyroid testing and advanced thyroid management, advanced hormone testing and advanced hormone management. Again, as I mentioned, there's a lot of therapeutics we layer in to help sort of repair the immune system. and help set things back a little bit so that your body is not fighting it so much. If this sounds like the type of practice that you're looking for, call one of Modern Medicine's practice today and we'd be happy to help you on your health journey.